To begin the installation of pchain client, visit parallelchain.io. Go to the mainnet tab on the navigation bar. Then select the documentation link. Select the Getting Started tab on the sidebar, followed by Installation. This tutorial is conducted on MacOS. Please ensure that you download the asset that corresponds to your operating system. Select the release page link to download the assets from GitHub. Next, navigate to the Assets category and select your corresponding operating systems indicated in the file title. Select your corresponding OS, then copy the installation command and paste it into the console. Finally, type in the commands provider under Tips and link it to the directory where you would like to store your files. Future transactions will be stored as tx.json following this directory. The transactions made under the command provided will only be successful when the directory is correctly linked.